Yeah, that's it. The top of the story, Billy.
It never started off as a concept. I just knew that from the measurements of the wall that I was going to do a lot of
don't even talk about it.
pieces of art.
Absolutely insane. There's no way it's going.
And then I came up with the title Reaperdelica, Death, Delirium and the Dark Arts, because there are three themes that I think gel perfectly together and they buy into my consciousness. And as it started for me, I thought, I know what I can do as a concept. It should be like a memorial wall, like after a disaster, a high-profile public disaster where people put pictures and messages to the dead loved ones, and also messages to the ones that are still missing if it's been that kind of disaster. And I thought, as the pictures sell, there needs to be something behind it, as though the memorial wall has been put up over a hoarding that's already got posters and stuff on. So I decided to do something in conjunction with the theme, but which doesn't get revealed until a lot of art has been bought, in the hope that it is. But it all buys in with the same theme. I'm not going to reveal what it is, but you, Ray, know that it's relative to the theme of the show, but it's also relative to the individual who I regard as my ghost muse, William S. Burroughs.
That weren't a good joke.
Jolly good. Looking forward to it.
Thank you.